Axlebacks are one of the most inexpensive and easiest ways to modify your exhaust to make them louder and more aggressive. It's why they're so popular. Now, most muffler deletes all sound very similar, but they do look a little bit different from one to the next. This one in particular has large 4.5-inch slant cut tips, either single or double wall, and then you can pick either polished stainless steel or burnt stainless steel finish, and they fill out the cutouts in the rear bumper quite nicely. Now, since we are deleting the muffler in the stock exhaust, this is quite a bit louder than the car comes stock, so definitely keep that in mind. It's also going to introduce a good amount of drone when you're at higher cruising speeds, but that's kind of to be expected when you're taking out such a large and important piece of the muffler. Now, with that being said, we're also shedding some weight. The stock muffler weighs, I believe, about 22.5 pounds, and the Remark Axleback weighs about 13.75 pounds. So shaving around 9 pounds there. Now, it also honestly does sound pretty good. With the windows up and everything else stock, you can definitely hear the exhaust, and you get some nice crackles and pops when you downshift. So if you're a person that wants to hear their exhaust as much as possible, doing a muffler delete and doing the rest of the exhaust is a surefire way of doing so. Now, if you start modifying the rest of the exhaust, it can get out of hand very quickly, so definitely heed the warning there. But like I said, if you're someone who likes to get rowdy and you just send it and you want it the loudest car possible, this might be a good option for you. I'll leave a link down in the description. Let me know what you guys think. What do you guys want to hear next? Comment down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. That's so fun.